And every time you wipe a surface, you are cleansing these old emotions surrounding your weight from your life permanently. You see that the rag is dirty, and as soon as it is too dirty, you toss it away with the rest of the bags, and a new rag appears in your hand. You are wiping down your cottage at remarkable speeds. No surface is left untouched. The rags turn into a mop, and you mop the floor until it is shiny and new. You have cleaned out your cottage. You have cleaned out your emotional baggage, and you have cleaned out anything that is holding you back. Look at how beautiful the inside of your cottage is now. Now let's go to the outside of the cottage. The outside represents your physical body. How does the outside of your cottage look? Without any hesitation, it is time to make any repairs and upgrades. See yourself working on the exterior of your cottage, fixing up your body in any way you want, caring for it. Apply a fresh coat of paint in your favorite color, representing that you will now take care of your body from this point forward. Wonderful. Step back now and look at your cottage. It is beautiful. It is well cared for, and it is somewhere you want to live. Allow yourself to slowly rise from this session, feeling a new wave of energy to take on your life in a healthy manner. Coming back now, I will count from 1 to 5. 1. New energy coming in. 2. An excitement for life. 3. You have done so well today. 4. Cleansing your mind of all that you needed to let go of. And 5. Open your eyes, ready to start a new way of life.